morning, students. Today we are going to start our chapter 4, Evolution of Transport. The history of transportation begins from the human era and continued to change over a period of time. This helped people use water bodies as a means of transport. Around 3500 BC, the first wheeled vehicles were used as a means of transporting small loads. Wheels were attached to carts and chariots. BC means before Christ. Now, our first topic is invention of the wheel and beginning of transport. The first human used their feet and legs. They walked to travel from one place to another. They also used animals for faster transport. Invention of raft and sledges which are made of wood. With this, the invention of wheel made land travel easier and faster. The earliest wheel were used as potter's wheel. Next topic is transportation in Middle Ages. In the Middle Ages, rich people sometimes travel in wagons. The merchants in the Middle Ages were busy traveling across the Mediterranean and Europe. Sea transportation was important for a rapid economic growth. AD means Anno Domini, the year Jesus was born. Okay children, now we start with topic what are the modern means of transportation. Worldwide, the most widely used modes for passenger through transport are the automobiles, followed by buses, air, railways and boats. First means of transport is land transport. Land transport covers all land-based transportation. It includes roads network from the state highway to local roads and rail network. Now we will discuss one by one. First is road transport. Road transport means transportation of goods and persons from one place to other on roads. Road transport is better to transport goods. Basically, Indian roads are classified into 4 categories: national road, state highway, district roads and border roads. Next is rail transport. Rail transport or train transport is a means of transferring passengers and goods on wheeled vehicles running on rails which are located on tracks. The Tejas Express is the fastest train of our country. Next is metro railway system. Metro railway system. Delhi Metro is the largest and busiest rapid transit system in India, connecting the country's capital region with satellite cities. Next is air transport. Air transport is the fastest means of movement from one place to the other. People can reach the destination in very less time, but it is costly due to high cost of fuels. There are 17 international airports and 88 domestic aerodromes. Aerodromes means a small airport. Next is water transport. Water transport is a process of transport. A watercraft such as boat, ship or sailboat over a body of water such as sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. The cost of operation of water transport is also very less. It has the largest carrying capacity and is most suitable for carrying bulky goods over long distance. Okay children, read the chapter nicely and understand it. Thank you.